Si former Senator Trillanes ng Davao City daw ang pinaka-dangerous city sa Pilipinas. Ano po masasabi mo dito, ma'am?
Ito ay pinaka nakakatawa na comment kasi even the world recognizes Davao City as the safest city in the Philippines. In fact, it is the only city in the whole Philippines that was recognized sa buong mundo as the 53rd safest city to visit in 2025. And nag-iisa lamang sa buong Pilipinas. And then here we come, former Senator Trillanes magsasabi na hindi safe ang Davao at it is a dangerous place. Makita mo ilan na yung mga international flights na bagong bukas sa Davao City. Ibig sabihin, they have seen and analyzed the situation of Davao and they know that business is going to be up in Davao City. Pero yung Trillanes, alam naman natin na parang ginawa na niyang mantra sa buhay niya ang sirain ang mga Duterte. Huwag na nating asahan at huwag na nating paniwalaan dahil sigurado when it comes to the Dutertes, he will only say all lies and nothing more.